Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. I am so happy it's near the end of the day. I am so tired. Lots to do for this old guy. Well, I think I'm going to start a new weekly post or video or something. I'm going to call it My Favorite Things. And they're going to be my favorite things that I like to buy from Amazon. And when I do, I will post the link to that item in the description. So, for instance, one of my favorite things is Waterlock's Finish. Another one of my favorite things is Tight Bond Original. You follow me? Um, and then there's the camellia oil that I use to keep the rust off my tools, and ballistol oil. Um, I've got a hand cleaner that I use. That's one of my favorite things, and so on and so forth. Now, in this video, I'm going to put down not one of my favorite things, but one of the things that my eye has caught that should I sell the table saw that I might invest in, and that would be a track saw. But I don't know. There are a lot of track saws, and I have read and watched I don't know how many reviews. So I'm going to post this question to you. Do you have a track saw? What type? What brand? What size? Do you like it? Do you not like it? The one I am looking at is the Makita. It seems to get top reviews for price and performance. Um, and I'm not sure whether I want to look at the corded or the cordless. I'm not a big fan of investing in batteries. Um, they are so expensive. It's sort of like when we would buy an inkjet printer, right? The printer would be like 20 bucks, but the ink is 30. And did you know that every time you turn your inkjet printer on, it spits out some ink into a cup? Yeah, you're throwing ink away every time you turn your printer on, every time it clears itself. So I look at batteries as a similar waste item because you buy a tool for 300. Oh, I'm really tired today. But then you're going to spend another $200 on a battery, and then maybe another $100 or $200 for a charger. So that's why I sort of lean towards corded tools, except for my cordless drill and my cordless driver, because living on a farmstead, on a homestead, sometimes you need to have a drill and a screw gun where there's no electric. So there's that. But on the other hand, see, this is a lot like the president of the United States. He calls in a whole bunch of economists. And they all go, well, Mr. President, on one hand, the economy is doing wonderful. There's robust economics, the purchasing of the consumer products is up, manufacturing is up. So on one hand, things are great. But on the other hand, inflation and the cost of everything is driving people crazy. So you got one hand, you got the other hand. So the president turns around and says, you know, guys, what I need is a good one-handed economist. So there's that. On the other hand, I do have what's called a battery backup for emergencies here, for telecommunications, the internet, the computer, etc., etc. And if I need to, I can pick that up, put it in the tractor, and go wherever I want and take a corded tool and go to work. I've done it with an electric chainsaw, believe it or not, and it works beautifully. So, I don't know. Do you have a track saw, and which one, what model, corded, cordless, do you like it? Let me know, because that's something I'm just contemplating. We'll know a little bit more in about 10 days. So stay tuned for that. So, whenever you see a video and the title says, My Favorite Things, go to the description box of the video and you'll see something or several things that I like to buy from Amazon. Why do I buy it from Amazon? Because usually I'm not going to a woodcraft because there aren't any here. I'm not going to a Rockler and so on and so forth. So I have to mail order regardless. So a lot of those companies participate with Amazon. So I could order something from Amazon, but it's actually coming from Woodcraft or Rockler or Grizzly or someplace. All right. Click on those affiliate links, and how the affiliate links work is I get credit anytime you click on it, and then anytime you continue shopping while that window is open. So if you go and click on a can of Waterlocks and you look at it, but you choose not to buy it, but then you remember, I have to order coffee. So you go and you click on your coffee, I get credit for your clicking on the coffee as well. So that will help the channel greatly, so that perhaps I can come up with better audio video equipment. So I want to thank you in advance, and check out my favorite things. Now, sometimes I'll send out a post. Sometimes I'll do a video. But in the description box, I will have a list of my favorite things, and it will grow. The list will grow. And what I might do is just put the new things on the top of the list so that the older things drop down. That's about it for this one. I'm getting ready to head out and hit the road. And so I might be hit or miss on videos the next few days. But we'll be back soon. We've got lots of projects to do. We've got the sharpening station to build. We've got to set up the trestles and the tabletop, move the table saw back over there, and then start contemplating what I'm going to do for a workbench. We'll see. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.